I'm Missy Huff with Hainseth Properties, and I'm at the Cambridge Townhomes in Bothell. There's 209 homes in this community, and this community is well known for being run very professionally. Most of your complexes have their standard HOA clubhouse with a gym, but this complex actually has car charging stations. So let's go take a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-car garage home that backs to a greenbelt. So if you're looking for a stunning move-in ready home or any home in Bothell, give us a call.